Hey guys, thanks for much coming back to my channel, I should say. I am going to do this quick video. I did a video like this with another company, and I did want to try Madam Glam. This is the ultraviolet light, or the UV light, I should say, LED lamp. And I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to be doing my nails, and I'm going to be doing a different color today. These are the colors that were sent to me. As you can see, I did get a top coat, a base coat, and I got like a very bright, soft pink. The other one looks exactly almost the same. I think this one has a little bit more purple in it. And then I got an orange color, which I'll be doing the orange today on my nails. So yes, I'm very excited. And if you guys love these contacts that I'm wearing, which I'm absolutely loving them too, look at either the video before this one or after this one. It's going to be talk about that, or go to my Instagram, Darby Day MUA, to check out pictures. I do have 3 other colors. Today I'm wearing like a green, like I think it's green color. I've never ever in my life worn contacts, but I'm absolutely loving these. So I'm a little bit irritated, and so as you can see, and kind of sniffly. But anyway, we're going to get right into this. This one right here is the top coat. This is the base coat, and this is the color, again, that I am using right here. And this color is called Cowardly Lion. Cowardly Lion. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to turn on my lamp already, just kind of get ready. Now, the only thing about these lamps, they are kind of small, so it is hard to get the thumb. So you have to make sure to cure your thumb a little bit extra timing so you don't run into an issue. So we're going to start with the base coat, and you want to, well, you know what, I probably should shake this up. I think that's what I always see them do at the nail shops. So you want to do the base coat first. And make sure you do thin layers. That's what I'm finding with these. The thinner, the better, but just build it. Now, with the base coat, I'm only doing 1 layer. It's so pretty. I mean, you could use this on its own, too. All right, can you see that? It's so hard making these videos when I don't really have a good setup, but yeah. This is the base coat. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the other hand. I'm literally doing 1 layer of a base coat. That's all you need. You don't need more. You don't want this super thick. So I'm done with the base coat, and now I'm going to sit them under the UV light. Again, it's hard getting that thumb in there, but get it in there. The light stays on for about 30 seconds, just so you know. Next step is the color. Again, this is Cowardly Lion. I'm going to see how many layers I need to do. I'm going to start off, of course, with the first and see how thin it looks. And again, what I've learned is to start off very, very light. Of course, when you first open it, it's so much polish is on here. This polish will last you forever. So I'm just taking just a little bit and start in the middle and go outward. Yeah, so I'm gonna need probably about 3 layers. So as you can see, it's very sheer looking at first. And what I find is just starting off very light is best, because once you put it under the light, it can run a little bit. So that's why you want to start off light. I mean, these are nail salon grade polishes, so. Okay. This is first layer. So we're gonna go ahead and put it under the UV light for 60 seconds, both hands. This is layer 2, And I think I'm gonna do one more. The color's not as bright as I wanted it to be, but it's natural, neutral. It's nice. Okay, this is the third coat, and I'm very satisfied with the opaqueness of it. Very nice. And then after that, I'm going to do a top coat. So I'll be back in a minute with my final thoughts. All right, here are my final thoughts about Madame Glam. Madame Glam Nail Gel Set kit. So I actually really do love it. I will say this, you know how you put the alcohol on it just to make sure, you know, you don't have the residue and it's not sticky or whatever. Worked really, really well, except for the thumbs. And yes, you all have to make sure that the thumbs are under here, and you cure them. I guess they call it cure. You cure them longer than you would before. I mean, well, pretty much the same time, but you have to turn these, you know, over and really make sure that they're cured. But this kit is so perfect for traveling with. You know, the box is really nice that you can kind of keep it or just buy something else. But I really, really, really am enjoying these little gel kits. It's like, you know, I really don't feel like going to nail shops because of COVID. So it's actually perfect to have right now. So I hope that you all enjoyed the video. All of the links and everything will be in the down bar. And please comment, subscribe, and like, and I will see you in another one.